Uy, pasas.
Pasas. Pasas.
Buka mo, alam mo nakikiraan eh.
Mga nga eh. May mga ako makaroni sa akin.
Hindi, ang sabi ko nga ni
Okay. Para ko ay isang mayaman. Sabihin nila, bakay nila. Mayabang muna tayo for... Ay, sorry. Importante na yun. Pabutang ako sa iyo dito ha.
Hindi, mura yung sulod. Hindi ka naman lang sulod sa ito.
Palalay ni San. Palalaya sa ba yun?
Hindi ko pa namin niya. Ano?
Ano? Hi, Happy Kay. Happy New Year. Fred. Hi, Finks. Happy advance. Happy New Year. Maluto ka mo spaghetti?
Ha?
Maluto ka mo spaghetti?
Doon?
Ha?
Doon, midya.
Maluto pa ako.
Nasa ng karaunan sa nanay. Nanaro sa nanong, ano?
Hagat eh.
Ha?
Kaya na magluluto pa man kay may misa na ano, alas 5:30.
Anak, kauna ka mo.
Sino yan? Sino yan?
Tantay ko yung pagkakaraon pa.
Ano, Tantoy?
Kanina ka mo. At ito rin.
Gia!
Diya, kanina kauna ka mo.
Gia! Gia!
Ay, nag-aral ko na sila. Hindi lang na ka mga guli bago mangisip ko na si mama niya.
Okay, para buo man sila na pamilya.
Okay, si Saira, di man nila yung pauli.
Kaya
Dala si Saira man yung
para rupod sila. Okay, bago ka maguli, magdara ka mo sa diho ha.
Ang ni magdaraw, kauna ka mga may sulod ako. Halal itinggan ho. Ang kuya mo. Kanina to rin.
Thank you po. God bless. Prosperous Happy New Year to all of us.
Dito na lang. Mamayo. Ate, inang, ayun niya. Ayun eh? Ayun, sa buko sa lalim.
God bless everyone. Eric Jomaramon. Have a sounds now. Sounds, ano now? Have a sounds now. Oh my God.
Oh,
Hoy, kaon ka mo.
dire. Oh. Hindi ko ano sumula. Ulan inula. Ano wala lang ako loko. Ingat, muna ka mo. Oh, dito na kang pauno. Ito. Salamig na ho dito. Oh.
Just salad.
Lalo. Yan yung sarang manimikin mo.
Ano na lang? Ano? Maniging ano lang ito, tabi. Ito.
Adi ho.
Ako na naman ito. Tabas na. Ito lang sa iyo.
Oh.
Manili ka siya dahil.
Aray.
Ito.
Ano po ito?
Aray mo na ini ha. Ini di na.
Diyan na. Kaya ang nangyari, natagyan ng minsan.
Magmudin. Magmudin.
Karamanin tang. Ito. Naghahan na. Gumima kasi Grace. Ang butangan.
Ito.
Ay,
Sige na, maski sa baba lang kami.
sa baba lang pang sarap. Ako na ganan.
Mababa sa akin.
Makusugon man yun.
Yan di ha.
Uy, adi pa man.
Makusugon man yun na, nabuli man yun. Sige na naman. Ay, pasas. May pasas na yan?
Mayon!
Ah, ay, may pasas na.
Tao ano sa iyo?
May pasas ka niya.
Magala po dito.
Ngayon ka na, ate?
Mayon.
Tapos na. Rinipak na nga ni.
Mara ka mara.
Ate, wag naman magkutsara. Ayun, grabe.
Ano pa? Ano pang kailangan? Tapos ka na sa tuloy. Ito na person. Kailangan mo ang malaman na wala nang mga sinasabi. Bababae rin tawag ko. Oh yes, oh yeah. Kailangan mo ng
Ate,
malaman.
maudol ako sa rice cooker mo doon na.
Ayaw.
Ito baga nakaupod pa yun na.
Ah, sige, kay.
May mo kusin wala na yung biko-biko. Wala na sa buto ba na
At least, di ba?
Oo, ate.
Pabati naman kay Don Porcado from Mark Altas. Hello, Don. Binabati ka ni Mark. Saan tayo? Thank you, Beglon. Tara, let's see it. Thank you, Beglons. Super chat, super available.
Ate, tama ng tamis o dagdagan ko pa sukat?
Ay,
Tama
tama na. Malay mo naman mataminso. No, okay na. Thank you so much. 10 people in the house. Okay na. Wala nang sinasabi, magkakating labi. Thank you so much. Babaero tawag ko. Babaero tawag ko. Sino may sabing magkakating labi? Hindi naman totoo. 12 people in the house. Thank you. Bimika, ano? Wala, kadiri ko naman hindi na ano. Beglon, give something some big something sometime. Rick, Hang. Hi, Crystal Tasca. Hello. Oh my God. Guys.
So yun. Ano siya yung kutsilyo? Kutsilyo ni Ben? Kuya itong sabay.
Oh my God. Thank you for the gift. Rick, thank you for the gift, Rick. Thank you so much.
Kanina pa.
Thank you for the gift.
Wala.
Thank you for the gift. Thank you so much. Happy New Year. Welcome. Beglon. Beglon, come on. Thank you so much for the gift. Come on, we're back. We're right. Good down.
Biko? Paano pag ano sa Biko? Biko? Naon nun Tapos kayo ang palunong.
Butangan doon, no?
Oo, tapos asukar. Yun o.
Biko, lulo kayo.
Oo. Maramot ako na.
May mukha. May mukha. Ugok.
Ugo. Okay, oo. Tapos topping.
Ubaw.
I'm struggling to survive. I'm broke, bro. It's okay. It's fine.
Ano yung location?
Sa hindi mo, sa makarami kalad.
May kung pa yan. Ito yung pera.
May carrot siya. Thank you, guys. Not all American have money. Oh, really? Okay, it's okay. Not all American. Thank you for the support, guys.
Tatanlabi. Kanino daw ini mga ako sa taas? Ay, sa inyo yun? Hindi, butang mo ay. Ah, bili pa nga ako.
Kaya ano yun? Ano yun?
Ay,
Juice?
sa juice.
Nabutan mo na yung zero ano mo?
Hindi ko na lang ada yun kung nagkalang ko pa pero eh. Ma, sige. Giniling?
Oo, ano pa man yun? Kiluluto.
Ay,
oo.
Ay, maloko ka na niya?
Oo. Para doon, buko na ma-stress doon.
Relax
Relax na lang ako doon.
Itaas ko na lang inihaw.
Diba?
Galinaan.
Oo.
Totoo man ini talaga.
Rick Beglon now feel bad because I always give you the bends. What the bends? It's okay, Ricky. I didn't know. You didn't know. Oh. You didn't. Thank God. God bless today. So, tomorrow, New Year, tomorrow here.
Plastiko ha.
So, New Year's is the new beginning. Everyone wishing the successful in life, comfortable life, health is well, stay healthy, positive vibe. You're always supporting Beglon. Yeah, yes. Beglon, he's always supporting not only me, but other channel. He's supportive. Thank you so much, Beglon. Thank you, Rick. Thank you so much. Ready to dive into 2016. Yes, 2026 is a new beginning for New Year's. Yes. Wow. New Year's, new age. Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you so much. God bless us, guys. Oh my God, thank you, Rick. Thank you for the blessings, Rick. Oh my God. What's a blessing for before New Year? Thank you. I wish I get the money today. But I don't know, maybe I get the gift from here on the live, maybe 1 month. Thank you, you're welcome. How I wish I get your money today, the gift. But I think I need to wait days or months to get the gift. Thanks so much, Beglon. Thank you so much, Rick. Beglon, thank you so much. God bless us, guys. Happy New Year!
Kung ano na.
Lamang nawala na. Hi, Sir Neil. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you so much. I have been blessed with you, God. Yes. You felt blessed. I felt blessed, so I meet you guys here. Supportive friends. I will make macaroni salad.
Macaroni ka pa?
Oo. Puro salad.
May tihol.
Puro salad kita. Kay makaumay mong bagana, no?
Oo, mabagal.
Ang inihaw nga ni, di magkahirwag. Ay.
Alis na baga.
Oo, di man nagkahirwag.
Kaya ito na dessert. Kaya mas kita lang adlaw.
Oo. Butang mo na sa ano, hugasan, Gio. Hugasan tabi. I have been blessed. Yeah, you will be blessed, Rick, because you are one of the generous person. You share your blessings to other. Thanks a lot. I like to share it. It don't need the money. My everything I prep. Yeah. Thanks a lot, Rick. Thank you for sharing your blessings. Don't worry. The gift you bless, guys, I will use it for the right. I need to improve my life here. Thank you, guys. I will help other people too. I wish for you, Rick, you always feel the blessings, happiness, love in life. Guide you always, every day, whatever struggles in life, you stay strong and healthy.
Ito na, sa ano, lugay.
I have peace in life. I want that. I want something like that. Peace, quiet life. That's why I love nature. When I feel stressed, I'm going to the quiet place, the nature, then set and feel relaxed. That's one of my stress reliever. Sabing katinapay.
Baka mamaya ka lang ito. Uy, baka mamaya. Kasama yan. Lababo. Ay, kulay ko yung schedule. Dali na kita.
Thanks a lot. Oh my God. Oh my God, sharks. You let me inside out, let me show you life without you. And I love life. I mostly hide from all the stress. I keep simple and do what makes me happy. Oh, I love it. That's great. I love that lifestyle, right? Being quiet and being peaceful, having a peaceful life, quiet, simple is one of the happiness. Beef liver and onions. No, no. It's like carrots, macaroni salad, carrot, onions, and macaroni. Chicken. The chicken. See the side. The chicken.
Sabi ka mo kumain na mo eh. Mapadala ko sa kanya.
You can't go wrong with chicken. Yeah. Thank you, Rick. Nice to meet you, Rick. Sir Mark. Merry ang Pasko natin. Sagana ang ating bagong taon. Kailangan mo nang malaman ang wala na. Thank you so much, Sir Mark.
Ba't para bukas si Bigas? Paano yung magbudas? As maniniman.
Malamig ko gagi
So
ako.
guys,
You work really hard. Thank you, Mark. Yeah. Working.
Uy. Laka. Ayun, taga. Buka. Hindi makuha. Ayaw, adik ko.
Ang kulat. Thank you so much.
Patuhin mo ako. Patuhin mo ako. Patuhin mo ako. Patuhin mo ako.
Thank you so much, guys. Watching 6 people in the house. Okay.
Hanap ako sa lunian. Hindi mo to ako sa diyo. Ang hatag isang barangay.
Mamaya na, para daw sun.
Ha?
Doon na, para daw sun.
Ano sama?
That is Manili.
Ay, hada. Hatagin ko na kayo. Ano na?
Thank you so much for 7 people in the house. Hello, beautiful. Hi, Johnny. Like number 10 likes. Thank you, Johnny. Thanks, Donnie. Thank you for joining. Rick, hi, thanks. Thanks, Hub here. Thanks here. No, thanks. He's not here. Oh, Donnie. Where's your wife, Donnie? My God.
Ano na kita, Bibi?
I don't have a wife. Why? Why don't have wife? Where's your wife? Is he gone? I don't know. Maybe he joined the thanks join. Maybe I can't explain. Maybe he rest. I've got a daughter. Oh wow. You have a daughter. At least you have a daughter. I never had a wife. Why? Why? I raised my daughter as a single parent. Wow, proud of you guys. Proud of you. I feel you. I feel you. Proud of you. have never been married. Oh, yes, me too. I've never been married. Never. But having a kids, one kid. Never been married too. How many kids do you have, Rick? Is that one of the chicken on the plate? No. Young word, no. Yeah, it's a chicken, but I buy this on the market. I buy this at the market. Argentina means Gaston Luis Fonseca. Hi, Gaston Luis.
I just want you alone. And you wait. Baka na lang! Ulat ka, baby. Sa akin, pagkagada mo, ha? Nagbutol na si Dada.
Kakarin ka mo ba?
Mabakas na pabunto.
Oo nga, mahal naman.
Patulay gold.
Ada mapabunto, boy.
I live in the fried chicken. I stay Kentucky. I have one child. She's 32 years old. Wow, Rick.
Ash!
Proud of you
Ano naman
guys
yung
raising your kids. Solo parent. Single parent. Always Colon. Chicken in America come from love snow and grown in 30 days. Here 45 days. And you can sell. It was not always easy. Yeah, not always easy.
Look at the
My daughter will be in 34 January. Wow! Wow, great.
Pagayan mo daw sa din ng kaluluwa. Pagayan mo daw. Kita kagayan sa di. Tita din, may adibila ka.
Kaya na gusto na nagbakal si Mother.
Sino, mother?
Mother Earth.
Ha?
Si Mother Earth. Si Mamay.
Mamay? Yung nalibila ka ni mamay.
I don't know.
Dapat, tagupod ka.
Sabukod ako na busy ako.
Dapat, tatawag mo rin yung labis mo.
Mabod ako dahil lang dyan. My God, Ashley.
Mama din, may adibila ka.
Abon ko. O, sa Manila.
Manila?
Manila ko yung binakal. Sa Manila. Manila.
Manila ka?
Oo.
Ako, miss ko si Ate Sue.
Say much.
Miss ko si Ate Sue.
Thank you so much.
Ano? Paano sana? Manila. Ikaw yung mamala sa inyong time.
Why does it hurt me so? Maybe my love will come back someday.
Oh, me, big boy. Maybe my love can bang,
Maybe my love.
love can bang. Oh, me, big boy.
Maybe
Malo, we can
How old
bang.
is your son? 9 years old. He's 9 years old.
Maybe Malo, you can bang. Maybe Malo, you can bang sa mood.
He's 9 years old. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows.
Maybe Malo, we can bang.
Kindig-kindig na, no?
Maybe Malo, we can bang. Oh, big, more. Maybe Malo, we can bang. Oh, big, more.
Yes, nice voice.
Maybe Malo, we can bang. Oh, big, more. Maybe Malo, we can bang.
When I was a kid, I used to sing with my mom in the house. Yeah. My niece like that. She always sing when I sing. Maybe my love will come back.
Nakatuman ako sa dalawa. Nakatuman na.
Only heaven knows. Maybe I hope to find you. Doon na lang, pag naluto ang pansit, ay ano.
May yun man sir.
Dari suman ugang. Suman, I love your family values. Thank you, Rick.
Apo,
You can
doon na
visit
lang.
here on Philippines. We entertain the guests. Very nice. You're a good mom. Ah, thank you, Rick.
Wait lang, nagwa ko tayo. May kung bumigla man.
Maybe I'll also find
It's a kiss.
Oh, thank you. Gidi ha, kiss, come in. Oh, ay sus, bahala ka. And all I can do is hope and pray. Even though what I'm feeling. Maybe I hope to find Carboni. Thank you so much. Maybe my love will come back sometime. Only have- Thank you, Half Century Outdoors. Hello. Thank you so much for joining. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Maybe I hope to find. Only heaven knows. Maybe my love come back someday. Only heaven knows. Cheryl, you can add me on Facebook name and thumbnail picture is same as here. Okay. Wait. I will do after the live, Rick. Yeah, okay, thank you. You're always welcome, Rick. Ano ako? Ikaw naman, naka-chat, naka-live ako. Ha? Naka-live ako, di ako maka-chat. Sabihan ko na ito na magbakal asukal. Ha? Magpabakal ako asukal. Sabihan ko na. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Ano oras pa? Alas 2. And all I can do... Body, bukas na. Only him. Diin kayo butang. I felt tired and tiring. Only heaven knows. Maybe my love will come back someday. And hi Cheryl, Fred Farrell told me to come to see you and your channel. Hi, thank you, 96 C class, 96 C4 Classic. Thank you so much. Where are you from, sir? Where are you from, sir? Thank you for joining. Advance Happy New Year. Advance Happy New Year, sir. Maybe my love will come back someday. Thanks a lot. BC for Christmas. For New Year. Keep getting up to look outside. The snow is more and wow. I never experienced the snow. I never experienced the snow. Maybe my love will come back someday. As far Sir Fred, where's the lechon? I like lechon. Can't afford the lechon here. Oh my god, I felt jealous your lechon. My god. I'm making macaroni salad. Hi Joey, Classic is a good man. Hi Classic. The snow is... Hi. Oh my god, you know what week I never experienced the snow. The power of onions make me cry. My golly. Oh my god. Why make me cry? Yeah. Oh my god. Onions. Yeah, the onions. Hello, miss. Hey, Danielle. Bye, beautiful. Bye-bye. Thank you, Sir Pratt. Oh,
Mahal naman ako. Oo, nagulutang mo.
okay. Sabi nyo sa pansit.
Okay.
Ay, paguna ko nga ni, darahon mo.
Oo, nakatulog na ako.
Ay, kung maniging dara na yun. Sabi, butang ma. Ay, kung ano ka ini binayaan doon maniging.
Mga bati.
Ah,
Ako na, wala na.
are you ready for... Yes, we're getting ready now. That's why cook is life. Oh my god. I need to prepare. The power of onion makes me cry. And for no reason. Oh my god. Getting ready for New Year. So, my god. What onions on fridge 1 hour before cutting. Next time, no more tears. Ah, okay. Now I know. I don't know. Oh my god. Tiring. Shit. Inner resolution for next year. Yeah. I didn't know that onion bread trick. Yeah. Now I know. Thank you for the trick. For the tip. The idea. Oh my god. Cheryl, my name is Mike from USA, 66, retired in voice. Wow, nice to meet you, Mike. Are you married now? Oh, I mean, do you have a Filipino girlfriend? Do you have another? Do you have what should I say? It was my mom's week. It was my mom's trip. Mike, are you? What should I say? Do you have girlfriend? Another wife? Living partner? Nice to meet you, Sir Mike. No, I'm alone now. Oh, why? Why alone? Why to be alone? You choose to be alone? You choose to be alone, Sir Mike.
Inis na kung tayo ito.
Naman.
Hindi na content sa ro, kami mas kidiyo.
No, siram-siram na.
Kapapres ka na kanta. Ay, pwede niyo ba ng siraro mo? Ay, manipis. Diba?
What is your New Year dinner menu? Salad. Macaroni salad. Spaghetti. Pancit. That's our New Year's food. New Year's food. Oh, thank you so much, Danielle. Thank you, Danielle. Lucky prosperity. Thank you, Danielle. Thank you so much. God bless. Thank you for the gifts. To those who sent the gifts, thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Oh my god. So long. So long. Why does it hurt me so? Maybe my love will come back someday. Thank you for Happy New Year. Thank you for the New Year's gift. Before New Year's, I have a gift. Thank you for the blessings. Why does it drive me so? Welcome everyone. Thank you so much. God bless you, Danielle. Why does it hurt me so? Maybe my love come back someday. Bless you and your family. Thank you. Same to you, Danielle. So easy player. Do you have site where men can look at available Filipinos and chat? Huh? What? Let us return. So someday. Oh my God, Sir Mike! Thank you for the gift. Oh my God, thank you so much, Mike. Thank you, guys. Ah, thank you, Mike. Oh my God. Why does it hurt me so? Thank you, guys. Oh my God. Young Ward. Yes, I follow JC from the Philippines, and that's where I learned this. Ah, JC, she's a Filipino. So you have a Filipino chopmate, Young Ward. Mike. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Danielle. Why does it hurt me so? Oh my God. So tired na. Thank you, Sir Danielle. Danielle, Rick. Ah, thank you, Rick. Hi, Rick. Hi, Rick. Thank you so much. Ah, God bless you guys. Ouch. God bless you guys. Wow. Amazing person I met just now. Fred said, you were kind of good woman and wanted me to come to you to see you here. Ah, thank you, Mike. Thank you, Sir Fred. I love to help others. Thank you, Rick. Thank you for helping me. You can send me people. Yeah. I have a people. Thank you, Pa. Thank you, Sir Rick. Sir Mike. Daniel. Hello, I'm in South Africa. Hi, nice to meet you from South Africa. Oh my God. I will buy lechon. Lechon manok. I will buy lechon manok. No lechon. Why does it hurt me so?
Tita, pila bakal mo ng sukar.
Ano, mas kitira.
Medya,
Oh, okay. Wala kay. Kay pirang kay kuha mo na sukan. Ay, yun.
Oo, sinabi si tita.
Para man ako sinabi pa no.
Sabi lang ni tita.
Para kasalanan ko ang lahat.
Ay, na magkape.
New Year.
Para mapabunto man ako kay mabakal ako sin ano.
Dili, ang gusto ko lang kape. Ang gusto
Nano yada, ano mo yun?
sa suman.
Charat.
Oh,
Kaya na yun.
isuluda. Sa agaw ra isuluda.
Babadong ko na yun.
Ababadon mo kay mabakal ako. Dili pa, paano? Dili ako makali. Dili pa ako tapos.
Aw, mautore. Di ba
Ano ba yan?
Di ko man aram.
Makarunisan.
Ah,
Oh, baka ka na dito sa kuan ko.
Tapusin ko lang yun.
Ito?
Okay. Matimpla pa na ako sa date para.
Ako aram, kaya ako nang una-una kay Ann. Kamo ka sa simbahan.
Thank you so much for the gift. Thank you guys. Oh my
hindi ko
God.
pala no.
Mahal ka gapon ha. Yeah.
Oh. Well, exhausted na. Happy for the super chat, yeah. Happy for the super chat. Happy to meet you here, Sir Mike, Sir Rick. Happy to meet you here. Yeah. Sir Fred. Sir Fred is one of the kind person I meet here on YouTube. He do live too. She have a beautiful and Wonder Woman. So lucky, Fred.
Tinampakan mo ang mga lugar.
Onions.
Ah,
Oh my God, the onions. The onions.
ito nga iming amo mi man ganap.
Na?
Maburudod pa kami tatawdi.
Mano?
Budod.
Ma?
Budod.
Bulol bites. Then,
Ito sa mansion.
ta?
Sa mansion. Sa mansion na Ragalibo. Ay, nara. Libo kong bukol.
Ah, mabudol bite kami. Tuwad ko na, ano.
Hindi ang group niya.
Medyo dito, makagali. Nagaang ko na.
Naturugan ko na matahan.
Okay lang, may nagigest man sa ako eh.
Kasi wala pa pakakaon. Naman ito. Ito sa tao. Hindi, nawara pa. Dito ba ito tumaro?
Nagpatulay?
pulutan mo. Plan.
Ito na pa to. Sa ling, ako magpakalulit sa labugyo. Sabi ko dagdagan ko.
Grabe yun.
Eh,
Pero may mga tinda pa man dito ha. May mga tinda pa man.
pasites. Butang ka dito sa pato. Wala na sa lima salang din. Salamat ko niya sa
Oo,
pato.
salaga na.
Parugit na ako.
Okay na. Yes! Oh my
Hey.
God.
Si Tini na bahala sa sarong na case.
Ay, ako bahala na sa
Go, Tito! It's time for you to shine!
It's time to shine. One kiss.
Ako na lang ngayon sa pulutan niya.
Ikaw na bahala sa ano, one kiss.
Ikaw nang bahala sa panumla.
May you and your family have a wonderful and prosperous New Year, Miss Cheryl. God bless. Thank you, Danielle. Thank you, Sir Danielle.
Nakaano ka mo, di ba?
Happy New Year's, everyone. God bless.
Blue wave.
Thank you.
Sa blue, baga sa lisabi ng ito blue.
Sabanag mo yan. Baka na ni-vlog ako. Huwag na ako nabalik.
Ano yung mood ko to? Ano? 300? 300 na yung mood ko. Wala ko na yung mood at 1 plus.
Ano ito balay?
Oh my
Pa
God.
200. Ay, sa 200. Pa 300 mo, pinakababa.
Ano rin, tata?
Dere, yan din na ano, ang blow yun.
150.
Ang madilig sa salangan mo, ha?
Dere yung ugasan din mo, kada ko na plagaran. Dere mo dito sa guro.
Kailang ako sa inyo.
Ano ka? Ang aras mo? Ano?
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. Kulang.
Kailang.
Dapat dagan ang mayonnaise.
Mabakal pa ako sa'yo ha.
Meron ko sa lagas ng mayonnaise. Lupaw sa mayonnaise yun.
Okay, mayonnaise yun.
Baka babay?
Maka?
Asim ba?
Bakit ba ka? Bakit ba?
Kailang mayonnaise. Kulang.
Mayonnaise.
Ano, dimbol, mapaano lang ako sa imo kay kulang, kay pa ako talaga magano kay kulang ako mayonnaise.
Ano?
Mayonnaise yun.
Pabungto, yatod mo lang ako.
Ah.
Kaya din mo kasali-sali.
Yan mo na
Ay,
lang.
butang natulos sa rarong basi. Mula tulos. Siya nga mapinitin yun.
Dapat nakaritya ah.
Ano yun?
Mo yun?
Spinach? Spinach?
Spinach.
Ay, ano, kinchay? Ay,
Spinach yun.
di ba yun spinach?
Hindi ko aram.
Di ba yun spinach? Ito yung spinach, oh. Oh.
Ay, dapat din, Marit.
Iri pa na.
Bista.
Ayaw, pagpadako.
Dali yun. Dali yung malanta.
Ay, kasi Ram. Kasi nasan may macaroni salad ka.
Ano pa yun pahaw?
Ano pa yun?
Akin chai. Ito pa nga sunumayad.
Lindiro.
Mayan mo sa po pa yung chick na yan. Hintay.
Spinach.
Uy, si Dibulo na daw, break ini.
Thank you so much. Hi, here channel. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, Mike. Mark.
Pa yun, di ba? Iba yan.
Macaroni salad. Teka, macaroni.
Ano yun yung meron?
My God.
Ano yan?
Oras, alas 3.
Naghahan namin sa laman ng wrap. That looks delicious, Yarek. I know, the mayonnaise is short, that's why I need to buy another. My God. And I need to buy another because not enough the mayonnaise.
Papa. Yun, parang...
Thank you so much. Fred, right? He said you were very pretty and super nice. Glad he sent me here. Thank you,
Alam mo
Mike.
na ako,
Thank
ha?
you so much. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you from Delano. From Delano.
Ako talaga ya?
I need to go to the market. I need to buy this mayonnaise. See you next letter. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Sir Eric. Rick. Thank you, Sir Mark. God bless you guys. Pharrell. God bless you. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye.
Tagalog.